A ballistic missile is built in several sections including the nose cone, payload compartment, guidance system, fuel tank. Before launch, navigation data is prepared using radar systems, satellites and onboard computers. Engineers and control systems perform final checks and begin a launch countdown sequence.
At launch, powerful rocket engines ignite and generate enormous thrust, lifting the missile into the sky. During the boost phase, the rocket accelerates rapidly and climbs high above the Earth. After the boost phase, the missile reaches the edge of space and begins following a ballistic trajectory. A ballistic trajectory is a curved path controlled mainly by gravity and momentum.
The guidance system constantly monitors position and makes small adjustments to keep the missile on course.
Some modern systems also use satellite navigation to improve accuracy.
At the highest point of the trajectory, the missile begins descending toward its target. As the missile approaches its destination, and the payload section separates from the booster, the payload re-enters the atmosphere at extremely high speed, creating intense heat. A special heat shield protects the re-entry vehicle from friction and extreme temperatures. Tracking systems monitor the trajectory and estimate the final impact location. Tracking systems monitor the trajectory and estimate the final impact location.
Different ballistic missiles have different ranges, from a few hundred kilometers to intercontinental distances. Missiles are launched from fixed land bases.
Some missiles are carried on mobile launch vehicles, which allow them to move between different locations for strategic flexibility. Advanced ballistic missiles can also be launched from submarines hidden beneath the ocean surface.
Radar and early warning systems track missile launches, while defense systems may attempt to intercept them.